Well, happy Friday, everybody. It's John at Mountain West Autos here in Twin Falls. It's starting to get a little cool. Supposed to be really cold this weekend, so keep an eye out for that. Hey, I've got a 2010 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie to show you. Good looking truck. So let's start here in the front. We've got a 5.7 HEMI, famous for their hemispherical heads. You get more horsepower and torque. Great engine. We're gonna come back a little bit. Truck looks good from the front. Looks good here. Good looking rims. I gotta get some caps for those. Now on the interior, it does have the dual power seat, heated and cooled. It's got the console, navigation, Bluetooth, voice command, dual climate control. It's got the dual glove box, which is nice. Good looking truck. So here in the back, nice leather seats. We got some storage down here, which is nice. I see that you can heat the seats in the back, which is nice. Got some storage here. Down the side of the truck looks really good. It's got the power sliding window there in the back. It's got the bed liner, Laramie parking sensors, tow package. I do like the looks of the two-tone as well. Here we are, the back seat, super clean. And more storage here, more storage there. Power windows, power door locks. There's your parking brake release. There is a trailer brake in there already. There's your heated, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate control, navigation. This is a nice truck. Well, there's my truck. I've got a great price on it. Come down, see me, call me, text me, whatever we need to do. Thank you so much for your time.